Man, nothing goes under. No, they nailed the pipe boot on top of the shingles and then went around it. I mean, on top of the felt paper and then went around it. And now it's rotted, soaking wet, rotten wood. They never fixed any rotten wood.
More story right there.
Gosh almighty. Who in the world does that?
These guys?
Man. Take that off now.
Yep. And no tar strip. And no tar strip.
Look at that water. Pick that up. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And the rotten wood.
That nail right there?
Yeah, that's rotten. It's right in the rotten wood. They didn't nail it in anything. Yeah. Never fix wood. We got to get plywood and everything. This is going to have to be a little different. Kidding me? Why? People do stuff like this to people. They literally came here and robbed them.
Yep. You don't know how to do this job, don't do it.
Yeah, these guys don't know how to put shingles on. I don't know how they got this job. How they getting jobs is what I'd like to know. I think a family member referred them. I think a family member referred them to these people.
Get out of here.
No, I think that's what he told me.
That's really messed up.
They left all the rotten wood. Didn't even replace any. I bet there's rotten wood everywhere. This house. Unreal. That's all they did was nail that down to the felt paper. Worst ever. It's all rotten under there.
I'm just opening it up right now.
Huh?
I'm just opening it up this wide right now. I don't know how far I gotta go.
I don't get the felt.
There's 3 roofs on this thing, dude.
What?
3 roofs.
3 roofs.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Third one. All rotted. I wonder how far it's rotted across there, though. Probably just right there, actually. It's just right there. Oh my God, look at that. Brand new roof. This roof is not a year old. And they went over that. They didn't even take it out. We got to take off a bigger piece.
Yep.
Oh, the drip edge.
Yep.
We got problems.
Well, you're missing a shingle.
This shingle was missing completely. They didn't even put it in. Literally did not put it in. And then they ran caps across it that only went to there. See that line where their caps went across that, and that was all opened up under there. That's all open. Caps only stopped here, so that meant that the water was running under here and down this valley. God almighty. They got a shingle that goes from here, here. This one goes all the way to here.
Yep.
What in the world? And then they ran 1, 2, 3, 4 runs over it. 4 runs. And then didn't put that one. Just took up everything around the fireplace because they decided, look, let's get rid of that thing. We don't use it at all. So it's just a water leak probably. And it looked terrible around it. And it was. And there wasn't any felt paper. It was just the original felt that was on here. They didn't put any. And they went over rotten wood. So, I mean, rotten wood. I don't know what's wrong with people. It's already thin enough. I don't want to go over 3/8 plywood. It's rotten. But that's what we found. So, we're going to cut that piece out. It's been a while since I've seen a messed up job like this. This is definitely, after brand new, just being done. That job over there that we did, we changed a lot of plywood on. And if you watch the last couple videos, you'll see that. I think I'll wait until he finishes. But yeah, that was pretty messed up over there too. But this is a brand new roof, less than a year old. Things they did here are uncalled for. I'm just not sure what to say about that. I'm not sure what to say about any of that yet. What in the hell were they? They didn't pop no lines anywhere.
I'll be looking at that.
It's pretty bad when you can't line up a 3-tab shingle. You kidding me? What in the world were they thinking?
Hurry up and get done. Hurry up and get done.
Oh my word. Hey guys, not the proper way to put on a ridge at all. They actually had ridge vent up here, but it wasn't cut out for it. So we took up another vent and they did the exact same thing. Why do we got 2 shingles here, Paul?
Starter.
Oh, that's the starter strip. But they nailed it. Insanity. They nailed the they nailed this thing down, and then they put the shingles over the top of it. Look at that, huh? Yeah.
And you see where the water come in at the back. That's the only piece of metal.
Yeah.
Piece of metal.
Yeah, it's terrible. I see it. I see it. It's terrible.
They didn't cook it up good enough.
No corking, nothing. Golly. Imagine they did the same thing on this pipe boot. They stuck the pipe boots down to the felt paper and then shingled around it. I've never seen anything like that. I've never seen anybody do that before, Paul. Have you? Never seen anybody do that before. It's the first time for me.
Somebody don't know how to do it.
Huh?
Somebody don't know how to do it.
Somebody don't know how to put her shingles on. They don't know how to put pipes on or boots on. How do these people get a job?
Don't know how to cut them neither.
No, look at that.
Yeah,
oh my word.
That ain't no good.
No.
You can cook it here all you want to.
Oh my word, yeah. Unbelievable.
You see where they had the glue at?
I see.
Water there.
Unreal. Damn it, Paul.
You know what? We're gonna fix most of it.
We're gonna fix the best we can. Yeah. As long as it doesn't leak. Is that a nail right there? Oh, I thought it was a nail.
No. They nailed them in the right spot, but high.
Really high. High nailed them.
Yeah.
Worst pipe boot install ever. Watch, guys. I'm showing you. Huh? All of them. Yeah, every single one. Worst pipe boots, vents, anything they put on this roof. They did put some felt over the top of it on the top. How'd they do that? Oh, they ripped it. Look how they just tore the felt out around it. They just tore the felt around it so they could slide it under.
And then you ripped it.
Unbelievable.
I like this when it's hotter.
Sad. Yeah, they're hotter now, right?
Yeah.
They suck when they're cold.
Yeah, they come up better.
Yeah. The heat. It's definitely getting warm up here.
Barely in there.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's the wood too.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is it going to be over or under?
Oh, you know it's going to be over.
Look at that. And look how they tore the felt just to slide it in.
Yep. Yep.
Unbelievable.
Best fireball ever right there. Huh?
Which one is that one?
That's mine.
Cobalt?
Yeah.
They cut the felt to slide it up through. Nailed it down and then put shingles around it. What's the matter with them? Yes, dramatic. Gosh.
You know why it's trying to cut so good for, don't you?
I don't, Paul.
I thawed it down.
Okay.
It may not last as long. It works a whole lot better, but no shingle, no nail.
God almighty, not a single nail.
One.
Not a nail.
Not one there.
Oh my God. That's 3 nails missing on one shingle.
2 shingles.
2 shingle. Look at that.
And a 10
Are you kidding me?
Huh? And a 10 area.
Give me a break. Oh man, no. Well, I mean, how do you not leak when you put? Oh, come on. They cut a space in the felt to slide it into.
And then they messed it.
They didn't take any of the old felt off.
Nope.
Nothing. Don't be pulling on that thing too hard. Man, slid it up in a hole.
Now we got to put paper back down there.
I know, the paper's got to go on first, right? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Yeah, brand new. This roof is not 1 year old. Not even 1 year. And
now we're supposed to really last
I'm
at least
so
5
sad.
years.
I'm so sad.
And they only put 4 nails in it.
These people paid money to get this done to their roof. It's terrible. Put tape on it too? What'd they do up there? Tape or something. Oh, wow.
That's a silicone cork. They won't hold.
Yeah. That looks like tape.
No, it's from the old house, the old time. That's tall.
Well, at least it's not rotting underneath it, thank God.
That's cool. That's cool.
Corking, yep, I see it coming off now. Man, well, that's what they did to every pipe in this house, every vent in this house. Ridge vent, ridiculous what they did down through here. They ran the ridge vent on top of this shingle here and then just ran another shingle over the top of that, and they left all this exposed basically. Oh my word. They got rotten wood here that's got to be replaced, rotten wood over there that's got to be replaced. This thing here is no telling how much rotten wood has around it. Well, here we are till it's done, I guess, Paul.
Yep.
It's an inch maybe. That's an inch curve right there. Alright, well, we did everything that we could do, including getting rid of that old pipe stack that we can think of that would fix the issues that they had going on their brand spanking new roof. They didn't do anything right. You can tell. Look at this. 5-inch exposure. I have no idea what that is. No idea what's going on there. What a dip.
You know what I say about that, Andrew?
This crackhead roofing right here. Look at that. Look. So much of a dip they couldn't even put their seams together. They're wide. Yeah. What, Paul?
You want good quality, pay the price.
Yeah, you gotta pay. Yeah, they thought I was too expensive, and now I'm back helping them out. They ran the bottom. They ran that across with a starter strip all the way across, and then they tied this into it after the fact. And when they got to the top, as you can see, they were off 6.5 inches. Yeah, they were off, so they got a double bond right there. So what they did was they ran these up under the starter, but they ran the felt paper over the edge, so on the shingle itself. So it might be dried in, but we sealed down all these tabs because yes, they didn't. Yeah, so all right, guys. I don't know what else to say about this thing. I hope we took care of their problems. I just don't know. I'm sure there's going to be more. I can feel it. Yeah, but for now, I'm sure we took a bunch of them away, Paul. I'm sure we took a bunch of them away.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, this is about all I can do on this place. We're going to clean it up, clean this roof up, and just get out of here, call it a day. See you on the next one,
Hopefully.
guys. It's better than this one. Look at that craziness. What in the world is that? That's a shingle run. Give me another beer. Man, they was smoking crack or something. That is really bad. Huh? Oh yeah, you can. Smoking some crack. That's really bad.
That's enough, yeah.
Something.
You do that so long, you can't see straight.
Yeah.